Welcome to USA Smart Shop. If you are looking for the best tire inflator to quickly and reliably inflate your vehicle's tires, you are in the right place. In this video, we will cover the top 5 best tire inflators available today. These inflators are selected based on pumping speed, pressure accuracy, portability, and overall value. Let's get started. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Airmoto Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor Air Pump for car tires with digital pressure gauge, LED light and auto shutoff function, cordless pump for car, motorcycle, bicycle, ball. The Airmoto Tire Inflator is a compact, cordless air compressor designed for drivers who want quick and hassle-free tire inflation wherever they are. Its small size makes it easy to store in a glove box or trunk, yet it delivers enough power for everyday inflation needs. This inflator features a digital pressure gauge that displays real-time PSI readings clearly on the screen. You can preset your desired pressure, and the unit automatically inflates the tire to that level. The auto shutoff function stops inflation once the target pressure is reached, preventing overinflation and making the process hands-free and stress-free. Because the Airmoto is cordless, it offers true portability. You're not tied to your car's power outlet, which makes it especially useful in parking lots, driveways, or emergency roadside situations. The rechargeable battery provides reliable performance for topping off multiple tires on a single charge. The built-in LED light is a practical feature for nighttime use or low visibility conditions. Whether you're dealing with a flat tire after dark or inflating a bike tire in a garage, the light improves safety and visibility. Overall, the Airmoto Tire Inflator is an excellent option for users who want a cordless, easy-to-use air compressor with smart features and wide compatibility for daily and emergency use. Number 2. Astro AI Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor Air Pump for car tires. Car accessories, 9.8 feet cord 12V DC-powered auto pump with digital pressure gauge, emergency LED light for bicycle, balloons, yellow. The Astro AI Tire Inflator is a reliable and powerful portable air compressor designed for consistent performance in everyday automotive use. Unlike cordless models, this inflator runs on 12V DC power, connecting directly to your vehicle's cigarette lighter socket for continuous, uninterrupted operation. It features a digital pressure gauge that provides accurate PSI readings, helping drivers maintain proper tire pressure for better fuel efficiency, improved handling, and longer tire life. The display is easy to read, even in low-light conditions. One of the standout features is the 9.8-foot power cord, which gives you enough reach to inflate all 4 tires without moving your vehicle. This makes it especially convenient for sedans, SUVs, and small trucks. The inflator includes a bright emergency LED light, making it useful for roadside assistance at night or during bad weather. This added visibility increases safety while checking or inflating tires. Astro AI includes multiple nozzle adapters, allowing the inflator to be used not only for car tires but also for bicycles, motorcycles, balls, and balloons. The compact design ensures it fits neatly in your trunk or under a seat without taking up much space. Built with durability and ease of use in mind, this inflator is straightforward to operate and delivers consistent results. It's a great choice for drivers who prefer a corded inflator that offers dependable power without worrying about battery charging. Overall, the Astro AI Tire Inflator is a solid and dependable option for regular tire maintenance and emergency preparedness. Number 3. Avid Power Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor, 20V Cordless Car Tire Pump, Rechargeable Battery-Powered Air Compressor W/12V DC Adapter, Digital Pressure Gauge. The Avid Power Tire Inflator is a powerful cordless air compressor built for drivers who want flexibility, speed, and reliable pressure control. It runs on a 20V rechargeable battery, giving it significantly more power than compact mini inflators, while still remaining portable and easy to store. One of its biggest advantages is dual power support. You can use it wirelessly with the battery, or plug it into a 12V DC car adapter when the battery is low. This makes it an excellent option for both home use and emergency situations on the road. The inflator features a digital pressure gauge that displays real-time PSI readings clearly. You can preset the desired pressure, and the inflator will automatically stop once the target PSI is reached, preventing overinflation and improving safety. Performance is strong enough for car tires, while still being versatile enough for motorcycles, bicycles, and sports equipment. The higher capacity battery allows you to inflate multiple tires without frequent recharging. The built-in LED light improves visibility during nighttime or low-light use, making it suitable for roadside emergencies. Despite its power, the unit remains compact and balanced, with a comfortable grip for handheld operation. Overall, the Avid Power Tire Inflator is a great choice for users who want cordless power with a reliable backup option, strong performance, and accurate pressure control. Number 4. Astro AI L7 Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor Cordless Mini Bike Pump with Digital Dual Values Display, 150 psi car tires air pump with LED lights and pressure gauge for auto, motorcycles, bikes, balls. The Astro AI L7 Tire Inflator is a compact cordless air pump designed for quick inflation and everyday convenience. Its small size makes it easy to carry in a backpack, glove box, or motorcycle storage compartment. This inflator supports up to 150 psi, making it suitable for car tires, motorcycles, bicycles, and sports balls. The digital dual values display shows pressure readings clearly, allowing users to monitor inflation accurately and avoid guesswork. Being cordless, the Astro AI L7 offers excellent portability and ease of use. You simply set the desired pressure, attach the nozzle, and let the inflator do the work. The auto stop function shuts the unit off once the target pressure is reached. The built-in LED lights are especially useful for nighttime inflation or emergency roadside situations. Visibility is improved, making it safer to inflate tires in low-light conditions. Multiple nozzle attachments are included, allowing quick switching between different inflating tasks. Despite its compact size, the L7 delivers consistent airflow for topping off tires efficiently. Overall, the Astro AI L7 is an excellent mini inflator for users who want a lightweight, cordless solution for daily tire maintenance and travel use. Number 5. Astro AI Cordless Tire Inflator Air Compressor 20V Rechargeable Battery Powered 160 psi Portable Air Pump with 12V Car Power Adapter Digital Pressure Gauge for Cars Motorcycles JY16P16018C2 Yellow. The Astro AI 20V Cordless Tire Inflator is a high-performance portable air compressor built for users who want more power and faster inflation. With a 160 psi maximum pressure, it's capable of handling car tires, motorcycles, bicycles, and more demanding inflation tasks. It runs on a 20V rechargeable battery, providing strong and consistent airflow. For added reliability, it also includes a 12V car power adapter, allowing continued use even if the battery is drained. This dual power design makes it suitable for both home garages and roadside emergencies. The inflator features a digital pressure gauge with easy-to-read measurements. Users can preset the desired PSI, and the auto shutoff feature ensures inflation stops at the correct level, protecting tires from overinflation. An integrated LED light improves usability in dark environments, making nighttime tire inflation safer and more convenient. The ergonomic design and sturdy build make it comfortable to use, even for longer inflation sessions. Despite its higher power output, the inflator remains portable and easy to store in a trunk or vehicle storage area. The yellow design also improves visibility during roadside use. Overall, the Astro AI 20V Cordless Tire Inflator is an excellent option for drivers who want strong performance, dual power flexibility, and reliable pressure accuracy in a portable air compressor. That's our list of the top 5 best tire inflators here on USA Smart Shop. Each inflator offers unique features depending on your vehicle, usage, and budget. You'll find updated prices and purchase links in the description below. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more product reviews.